Every year in the first weeks of January, the electronics industry gets together in Las Vegas to try its luck. As a huge slot machine, the CES show pours out new product, gadgets and technologies. We meet up with Scott Miller from Dragon Innovation, and he's on the CES show floor. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
How are you these days?
Oh, things are great. I'm excited to be in Las Vegas.
Yeah, Las Vegas is good for you. Are you lucky in Las Vegas?
So far, so good. We had some really good luck at the slot machines last night. So right now we're ahead.
Don't tell me how much.
We'll say like a 20x increase.
What exactly is the importance of the CES?
Yes, so what I love about this and the importance that I see is it brings people from all around the world that are involved in consumer electronics, sort of home health, and technology in general, and puts them all in one spot. So you have the opportunity to really reconnect, network, and learn what's going on in the world of technology. And I think it's incredibly rare to have everybody all in the same place at the same time.
Yeah, okay. Well, I can imagine it will be a great place to be. You are there with your own company, with Dragon Innovation, and you're having a hardware studio. Can you tell a bit more?
Sure, yeah. So in September with Kickstarter and Avnet and Dragon Innovation, we launched this thing called Hardware Studio, really built to help hardware creators be able to prepare for their campaigns on Kickstarter more effectively, so that when they are funded, that they've got a clear path to manufacturing. And there's basically two main parts to the program. The first one is Toolkit, which is open to everybody, and it's a lot of resources, again, targeted towards hardware creators to help them prepare for their campaign. The second part of it, which is you have to apply to get in, is called Connection. And that's driven by Dragon Innovation and Avnet, where we work with creators who want to build higher volume products that are you have some sort of electronics in them. And the way we think about it is it's almost like a personal trainer in the gym, where we can help them really focus on a certain area that that's important to them, so that they will be more successful after they launch.
You are a hardware guy yourself. You've been involved in producing the iRobot. You spent many months, I remember, in China to set up manufacturing facilities. If you're walking around on a show like CES, what jumps into mind? What is the product you think, okay, I have to make this?
Oh yeah, I mean, there's so many amazing things here. And what I think, or what I'm seeing this year, is that the level of play is much higher than it has been in years past. So the products are, even in the early stages, are just much more polished. And the creators and the entrepreneurs are just a lot more articulate in describing what the product is. The design level is again much more mature. So we see all sorts of interesting categories. Certainly, fitness is a big one. Sleep is much stronger than I've ever seen it before. A little bit less in terms of drones. I think food tech is strong. So how do you actually cook your food? And if you think about it from a VC perspective, it's recurring revenue. So that's one that has the ability to access some capital. One I really liked, that I've known them for a long time, is Sproutel, which my friend Aaron is running. And basically, this is a company focused on creating products to help kids facing tough diseases be able to navigate through them. So they've built a while back a product called Jerry the Bear to help kids with diabetes. And now they're focusing on helping kids that have cancer be able to navigate the 1,000 or so treatments, and have partnered with Aflac to create a really cool robotic duck that sort of helps these kids get through this incredibly tough thing. And I love it that they're tackling like really challenging, hard, important problems that are going to change the world for the better.
What are you taking back, you think, from this show? Back to Boston, back to your office or your home? What is the most important thing you picked up here?
Yeah, so the thing that really sticks with me, having been to many of these and sort of looking at the trends year on year, is that I truly believe hardware is stronger today than it was last year, and stronger than even the years before that. That there's just a tremendous rebirth of sort of the hardware revolution. And we're getting into the next phase of it, where entrepreneurs and hardware companies have just better and better tools to be able to take that idea and then realize it in high volume and build just some incredibly well-designed products that are going to change the world. So I'm very, very bullish on hardware and excited to see all the growth that we've had in front of us.
All right. Okay. Excellent. Thank you very much, Scott, for your update on the CES. Hope to see you soon. And hope to catch up with you again. Thank you very much for your input for this eeNews report. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. It's always fun to catch up.